Welcome to the online class from Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus. Assalamu alaikum students of class 8 in the online class of social studies. We are studying chapter number 3, major climatic regions of the world, and I am your teacher Miss Uzma. Topics: we are going to study our tundra and equatorial climate. Tundra. Barren tundra lands are home to hardy flora and fauna and are one of the Earth's coldest Arctic biomes. The ecosystem are treeless regions with extreme cold and low rainfall. There are two different types of tundras. Number 1, alpine. Number 2, Arctic. Map location of tundra. As you know that there are two kinds of tundra, Arctic and Alpine tundra. First we discuss the Alpine tundra, then we will discuss Arctic tundra. Large regions of Alpine tundra occur in North American Cordillera, the Alps and Pyrenees of Europe, the Himalaya and Karakoram of Asia, the Andes of South America, and the eastern rift mountains of Africa. Alpine tundra occupies high mountain summits, slopes, and ridges above timberline. Alpine tundra occurs on mountains where trees cannot grow in the high altitudes. There, the growing season is about 180 days. Mountain goats, sheep, marmots, and birds feed on low lying plants and insects. Arctic tundra. Arctic tundra extends from the edge of the Arctic Ocean down to the coniferous forest of taiga. Taiga? What is taiga? Taiga is a moist subarctic forest dominated by conifers such as spruce and fir that begins where the tundra ends. Arctic tundra are found on the high latitude landmasses above the Arctic Circle in Alaska, Canada, Russia, Greenland, Iceland, and Scandinavia, for example, or on far southern regions like Antarctica. Permafrost prevents trees from taking roots. Permafrost. What is it? This is any ground that remains completely frozen on 32 degree Fahrenheit or 0 degree centigrade or more than colder for at least 2 years straight. These permanently frozen grounds are most common in regions with high mountains and in Earth's higher latitudes near the north and south poles. But shrubs and other vegetations grow during the short summers, which range from 50 to 60 days. A variety of wildlife, including Arctic foxes, polar bears, and caribou, live in the Arctic tundra. Global warming is changing the Arctic tundra, and the changing tundra is contributing to global warming, which alters not only the landscape but also the plants and animals that can live there. The Arctic's permafrost is deteriorating. In addition, permafrost contains about 14% of the Earth's carbon. Equatorial climate. Equatorial landscape are in areas near the equator and cover about 6% of the Earth's surface. They are Amazon in Central America, the Congo, Gulf of Guinea, and Southeast Asia. Now in front of you there is a equatorial climates map which shows you the distribution of tropical rainforest. The temperature are high around 25 degrees centigrade and lots of rainfall more than 2000 millimeter. The equatorial climate is characterized by hot average temperature all year round and high monthly precipitation, typically no less than 60 millimeter a month with annual precipitation tending to be over 2000 millimeter. The diurnal temperature range is greater than the annual temperature range. Equatorial climate. It is constant high temperatures, lowest annual temperatures range of any climate, evenly distributed heavy precipitation. lots of cloud cover and high humidity. When we are talking about the characteristics, they are often in lowland areas and have a climate that is hot and wet all year round. Tropical rainforests grow in the equatorial regions. Now, graph of equatorial climate. Cloudiness and heavy precipitation, 150 to 250 centimeters of rainfall or more than in a year helps to moderate the temperature, so that even at the equator climate is not unbearable. Most of the rainfall is convectional with thunderstorms and lightning often accompanying the torrential shower. The most outstanding features of the equatorial climate is its great uniformity of temperature throughout the year with no winters. The average monthly temperature are about 26 to 28 degrees Celsius with a small annual range of temperature 3 degrees centigrade and fairly greater diurnal range of temperature 12 to 15 degrees centigrade. Types of animals in equatorial landscapes live lots of dangers and beautiful animals. They are poisonous snake and frogs, felines, and the most common feline is rainforest is the jaguar feline. Hundreds of types of birds that have lots of colors, such as birds of paradise, toucans, parrots. Question you have in front of you, just, just try to understand the question first and then write the answer. Thank you so much.